Let's talk about Brookfield Asset Management, symbol BAM. Again, we're going to look at our monthly chart. We like to look at the monthly chart when we're talking about a longer term investment. Let's read the profile of Brookfield Asset Management. It's a publicly owned asset management holding company with approximately $50 billion in assets under management. Through its subsidiaries, the firm invests in property, power, and infrastructure sectors. Its property business include owning and managing office properties, developing master plan residential communities, and offering clients bridged and mezzanine lending, alternative asset funds, and financial and advisory services. I like this. I used to work in property management. I went out and sold outside services to companies like Lowe's and Home Depot, things like parking lot repair, snow, lawn, fixing curbs, bollard posts, etc. Also, I like the fact that it does the bridge and mezzanine lending. It helps businesses get alternative lending. It also does financial and advisory services. That's what my profession is right now. So I like Brookfield Asset Management. Let's go look at the chart here. The chart looks beautiful. When I look at this, I have it a monthly chart going back from September 01, and you look at this, and this Brookfield Asset Management, the price has tried to stay outside of the Keltner channel on a monthly look. That's absolutely amazing. And anytime it's had a pullback, it's pulled back right around the 5-month moving average, 4-month moving average, or the Keltner channel. This is strong. I like it. Its tricks indicator since I believe this is 03 has stayed above the zero line. It looks like nothing but buying. Every time a pullback happens, institutions come right in, buy it right up. This is strong. This is one of the stronger plays that we have in our investment portfolio. I would say invest 10% of your portfolio in BAM. I like BAM. I put a stop around $40, $41. It's at $47.80. This can go much higher. I like this stock. I like what it does. Property management is just I believe it's the second. Property management and or property maintenance is the second highest profitable business to get into behind banks. I have a friend of mine who was going to buy a property management company out of New Orleans some years back. Luckily, he didn't do that because of the floods. But it's a very profitable industry. It deals with REITs, real estate investment trust, retail, REIT industrial, REIT office. Just a great business. So Brookfield Asset Management, the chart looks great. Pullbacks are small. It's been riding up strong since early 02. During the pullback of 2000, 2001. In 02, it hardly had any pullback at all. It's just rode higher, and it's moving at a nice, brisk pace. It's a great company. Brookfield Asset Management looks like a strong buy. Put 10% of your portfolio in it. Of course, consult your financial advisor on this. Put a stop around $40. Again, a stop around $40. This is Blake Verdun of Bark Street Investment, soon to be barkstreet.net. Look for it shortly. Pass these charts around to your family, your friends, other financial advisors, other institutional investors, people who are interested in the market. Next year this time, we'll be looking at this portfolio of 10 to 12 stocks. And if a lot of people jumped on the bandwagon of this because we believe in technical analysis, you're going to be much more profitable. Much more profitable. We vet a lot of stocks. We look through thousands and thousands of stocks to pull out these few that have technicals looking good, have financials looking good. The PE ratios aren't through the roof. I like everything about Brookfield Asset Management. Right at the top of the list. We're going to probably pull a chart later today on Moody's, which I like also. PFG, also Bank of Scotland, Cablevision. It's going to be a strong portfolio. Next year this time, many people will start to say, wow, should have jumped on the bandwagon earlier. Blake Verdun of Bark Street Investments. Have a great day.